Hi everyone, it's Annabelle from East Coast Mommy, and Christmas is just around the corner, but don't worry, I have budget-friendly Christmas gift ideas that are easy, inexpensive, and fun, and I have free tags. First up is a simple idea using a dollar store frame. I picked this one up at my local Dollarama. I also grabbed some lottery tickets and designed these tags. You can download these tags on my blog. I'll leave a link to the download in the description below. Open up the frame. You're going to flip the designed part around so that you don't see any of it. Then take your lottery tickets and arrange them on the glass. Then replace the back of the frame. Doesn't this look great? I love all the bright colors. Then the last thing to do is add the punny tag I designed. You can download it for free on my blog, and again, I'll leave a link in the description below. I designed two versions of this tag. One says, "This Christmas, I hope you get lucky," and one says, "This Christmas, we hope you get lucky." So just use the version that fits your needs. Seriously, how cute is this? The next idea is a fun way to gift an inexpensive candle. I found this one at my local Dollarama for $5. I think it looks really high-end and it smells great. I also grabbed these cellophane bags and I designed these tags. I'll leave a link to the free download in the description box below. I simply popped the candle inside the cellophane bag, tied it up with a bit of ribbon, and added the warm wishes tag. As I said before, I'll leave a link to the free downloadable tag in the description box below. I love how simple this is. It's great on its own, or you could add a gift card. If someone on your list loves a good scrunchie, this idea is for you. I picked these ones up at my local Dollarama, popped them into a cellophane bag, and attach this Christmas hair I don't care tag that I designed. I'll leave a link to the free download in the description box below. You could also put a scrunchie inside a plastic ornament bulb and use the same tag. Pretty cute, right? Let me know, which one do you like the best? The next idea is a fun way to bring a treat to a party. I made these Nacho, your average Christmas gift tags that you can attach to a bag of nachos. You could also put it in a basket and add some homemade salsa for a cute gift idea. I just used a piece of twine to attach mine, but you could use a piece of ribbon or anything you like. I will leave a link in the description box below to the free downloadable tag. For the next DIY gift idea, I made this "We Wish You a Cozy Christmas" tag, and I have a couple of options. I picked all these items up at the dollar store. I purchased some gloves, some socks, some candles. I covered up the price tags with some Christmas stickers. You could use one of these gifts with the tag, or you could put them all together in a little basket. Totally up to you. I decided to wrap mine up individually. They are going to be cute little stocking stuffers, or I may add a gift card and make them a little gift. I popped them into a cellophane bag, used a bit of twine to tie up the top, and attached the tag that I designed. I'll leave a link in the description box below to the free downloadable tag. And here's how they turned out. I found these lip balm holders at my local Dollarama, and I thought they'd be really cute to gift and pair with these mistletoe ready tags that I designed. I'll leave a link to the free downloadable tags in the description box below. I popped the lip balm holders and some lip balm in a cellophane bag, tied it up with some twine, and added the tags that I designed. You could also add some lipstick. Next up, I'm going to show you how to give the gift of an experience. I decided to gift my kids a hot chocolate bar that they could use during the holiday season. I picked up a variety of jars from my local Dollarama, some inexpensive mugs, and some treats. I picked up this adorable gingerbread container at my local Dollarama, and I'm going to fill it with some mini marshmallows. I also picked up some dollar store goodies to fill up my jars, some M&Ms in Christmas colors, some of these wafers, these chocolate spoons that my kids love, and some little chocolate candies. And of course, you need candy canes this time of year. I also added this little Polar Express sign and some fairy lights. And here's how it turned out. Seriously, how cute is this? I hope you like the ideas that I've shared today. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell to be notified of future videos. Talk to you next time, and Merry Christmas.